In this video, I'm going to show you how to add extensions in Firefox, step by step, in a way that's quick, simple, and beginner-friendly. Firefox extensions can help you block ads, improve privacy, save passwords, manage tabs, and customize your browser so it works the way you want. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Let's get into it. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see the menu button, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. Click that menu button to open the main Firefox menu. From the menu, find and click Extensions and Themes. This will take you to Firefox's Add-ons Manager, which is the place where you can browse, install, and manage extensions. If you've never used this before, don't worry, it's very easy to navigate. Now that you're in the Add-ons Manager, click the Extensions tab. This is where Firefox shows the extensions available for browsing and installation. From here, you can explore featured add-ons, popular tools, and categories based on what you need. If you already know the name of the extension you want, use the search box to look it up directly. Just type in the extension name and press enter. If you're not sure exactly what you want, you can also browse by category and discover useful extensions for productivity, security, shopping, video, and more. Once you find an extension you want to install, click on it to open the extensions page. On this page, you'll usually see a description of what the extension does, screenshots, ratings, and any important details you should review before installing. When you're ready, click Add to Firefox. Firefox will now show a permissions prompt so you can review what the extension is asking to access. This step is important because it lets you see exactly what the extension will be able to do in your browser. Take a moment to read the permissions carefully. If everything looks good and you trust the extension, click Add to confirm the installation. Firefox will download the extension and add it to your browser automatically. After that, the extension is installed and ready to use. In many cases, you'll see an icon appear near the top of Firefox, and some extensions may ask you to sign in or complete a quick setup before they work fully. You can usually find and manage your installed extensions later by going back to the Extensions and Themes section in the Firefox menu. And that's it! You've successfully added an extension in Firefox. It only takes a few clicks, and once you get used to it, installing helpful browser tools becomes really easy. If this video helped, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials and helpful browser tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.